Hello, it is Thursday, October 20th, 2011 at 1:23 a.m. I wanted to show you, in case you're not aware of it, all of the earthquakes that are happening in Hawaii. Quite a few within the last 4 or 5 hours. You can see here, right in here is where they've all been occurring. I gotta come out one here. There's a few scattered around the island over here, but for the most part, they're right here in this one little area. I went to the USGS, and you can see right here it started with this one. There's a magnitude 4.5. Let's zoom in on it here. It was a magnitude 4.5. It occurred at 10 minutes past 0 UTC on October 20th. And go back to this list. Prior to the 20th, here's, you've got 1 on the 13th, you've got 3 on the 14th, 1 on the 15th, 1 on the 16th, 3 on the 17th, 3 on the 18th, 5 on the 19th, and then on the 20th, right here, after that 4.5 occurred, there's probably about 30 earthquakes. I guess that would be considered aftershocks, except for there's 3.6 and it drops to 1.9, back up to 3.1, 2s, then back up to 3. So it's more of a fluctuating situation rather than a decreasing. And then also I noticed that here at 4:33 UTC, the depth has been around, I don't know, 15 to 20 kilometers. And now it's coming closer to the surface. This one's at 5 kilometers. Although it's hard to tell when they term these things. Let's see. Well, that looks like it's a different location, so never mind that. So if I went to College of DuPage, and I noticed that there's one of these little satellite lines that run right next to the big island here. It occurred at 16:15 UTC on the 19th, which is 8 hours before the big earthquake happened. But there's a video I did the other day, right here, on 10/18. Right here you can see the same kind of ring, and right here the earthquakes that occurred on that same line, and this appears to be the same thing. I'll go ahead and play. This is the infrared satellite. It doesn't show on the larger maps because they're on 3-hour intervals, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and this happened at 16:15, so it doesn't show up. But on this closer view of Hawaii, it did, so I'll go ahead and play it through. You can see after it occurred, this heats up. Maybe that's normal, maybe the heat of the day. There was the flash. I'm going to stop it when the earthquake started. Right there. So right here is where the earthquake started to occur and have continued on. This ends at 5 UTC. I also pulled up the visible satellite of the same thing, and again we have that flash right here at 16:15 on the 19th. I'll go ahead and loop that through for you. Right here's the big island, and there's two mountains right in here, volcanic mountains. So back here at the USGS, I went here and looked at this event, and right here you've got the location, and so you just take that and you copy it onto your clipboard, and then you paste it into this line in Google Earth, which I've already done, and it will take you right to the location. So right here we've got Mount, oh no, Mauna Kea, I think, something like that. And it's a fairly large mountain, 13,000 feet high, almost 14. And unfortunately I got this cutting off a little bit, but we'll go take a tour and hopefully most of it will show up. There's quite a few observatories up here, and you can see they're volcanic, which most of Hawaii is, of course, or all of it is. And the earthquakes are appearing down here at the base, right here at the base of the mountain. So I'm not sure what that's signifying, but it does not look good. I also went to Earthquake 3D, and you can see right here, age I've got set at almost 0. And here's Hawaii right here. And as I increase the age, you can see it grows. So right now that's about the only thing occurring. Go around and look. Yes. So anyway, I wanted to bring that to your attention, and I pray that you have a wonderful evening, what's left of it, or into the morning. God bless you, and may He keep you in these troubled times.